Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Roberto Ladina binti Husaini. My matrix number is 01EM22F1046. Today I will present the introduction of vector and scalar in architecture. Scalar and vector quantities are used to describe the motion of an object. Scalar quantities are defined as the physical quantities that have magnitude or size only. For example, distance, speed, mass, density, etc. However, vector quantities are those physical quantities that have both magnitude and direction, like displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, mass, and etc. It should be noted that when a vector quantity changes, its magnitude and direction also changes similarly. When a scalar quantity changes, only its magnitude changes. What is scalar and vector quantity? Scalar quantities are the quantities that only have a magnitude or size associated with them. These quantities can be expressed completely with a single number. Some examples of scalar quantities are the mass of an object, the distance between 2 points, etc. For doing operations on scalar quantities, the usual rules of algebra work. These quantities can be added and subtracted in the same way numbers are added and subtracted, but only numbers with the same measuring unit can use the process for a scalar quantity. This is examples of scalar and vector in pictures. As an examples of scalar quantities is mass, speed, distance, time, area, volume, density, energy, temperature, and electric charge. However, examples of vector quantities is velocity, force, pressure, displacement, acceleration, thrust, linear momentum, electric field, polarization, and weight. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sashindra son of Prabhu. My matrix number is 01DEM22F1014. Today, I'm gonna present about the formula of triangle from the law of vector to find the sum of two vectors. So, first of all, we should get a triangle, and I'm going to label it as P, Q, and R. Then, the first step that we should label is write PR is which equals to A1I plus B1J minus C1K. Okay, this line is drawn to show the direction from P to R. So next, write RQ, which is equals to A2I plus B2J plus C2K. And line is drawn on the equation. So next, the equation should be as PQ is equals to PR plus RQ. So this equation should be written in bracket as equals to open bracket A1I plus Bij1J minus C1K, close bracket, and add addition, open bracket, A 2i plus b2j plus c2k close bracket. Then open the equal and remove the bracket as right as in above. Then write the equation without the bracket. So it would be a1i plus b1j minus c1k plus a2i plus b2j plus c2k. So finally, the answer for this formula would be in a bracket form, which is equals to open bracket a1 plus a2 close bracket times with I plus open bracket b2 or b1 plus with b2 close bracket and times with j. So this would be the answer for this whole triangle equation. So that's it. Thank you. So here are the application of vector and scalar in real life. We come into contact with many physical quantities in the natural world on a daily basis. For example, things like time, mass, weight, force and electric charge are physically quantities with which we are all familiar. We know that time passes and physical objects have mass. Things have weight due to the gravity. We exert forces when we open doors, walk along the street, or kick balls. We experience electric charge directly through static shocks in winter and through using anything which runs on electricity. So here are the application of vector and scalar in architecture. The architect apply vector and scalar in their duty. For example, they use vector and scalar to calculate the distance and the area of project and that they want to make.
So today I will show you all how to solve this question. Figure below shows a triangle ABCDE with a straight line. Vector BC equals to vector CD equals to vector DE. Given that vector AB equals to 3A plus 2B and vector BC equals to A minus B, find the following vectors in the term of A and B. For the first question, A, vector ED equals to negative vector DE. It is because they were the same, but we need to invert it. So it will be negative A minus B. So the answer is negative A plus B. Next question, B, vector AC equals to vector AB plus vector BC. This question I give the answer for vector AB and vector BC. So we just need to plus them. So the answer we will get for A plus B. For the next question, vector DA. So the equation will be like this. Vector DC plus vector CB plus vector BA. The three of the vector needs to be invert. So we will get negative 3A plus 3B.
Hello, my name is Hakabim Afuze and my matrix number is 01DM22F1043. So the conclusion for vectors and scalars is vectors are utilized in day-to-day life to assist in the localization of people, places and things. They are also used to describe things that are acting in response to an external force being applied to them. A quantity that possesses both a magnitude and a direction is known as a vector. The first, second and third laws of Newton are all related between vectors that precisely describe the motion of bodies when they are subjected to the influence of an outside force. Newton's laws cover a wide range of phenomena and can be used to describe anything from a ball in free fall to a rocket on its way to the moon. Now, at the end of this section, students should be able to define what is meant by a vector and differentiate between a vector and scalar quantity. Calculate the angle between two vectors using the scalar product. And finally, students should be algebraically manipulate a vector. That's all from me. Thank you.